Hello viewers, my name is Wahid Anwar and in this tutorial we are going to learn how to customize quick access toolbar in Microsoft project. First of all, what is quick access toolbar? Quick access toolbar is a customizable toolbar that contains a set of commands that are the independent of the tab. You can see up here three default commands: save, undo, read. You can move this quick access toolbar below the ribbon. Look, click on drop down, then click on show below the ribbon. Okay, now your quick access toolbar is below the ribbon. Again, click on drop down and click on show above the ribbon. So like this, you can bring this quick access toolbar below the ribbon and above the ribbon. So in this quick access toolbar, we can add and remove commands. So we can customize quick access toolbar with different ways. First, let's suppose click on drop down and then click on more commands. You can see a new window is pop up now, and you can see on the right side customize quick access toolbar, and on the left side you can see choose commands from. So popular commands, and right side for all documents default. Okay, so if you want to add any command, let's suppose I want to add a copy. So first I will choose that first command and then I will click on add button. Now you can see it is added now on the right side. Now I have to click on OK button to save the changes. So you can see a new command in quick access toolbar. Second way, right click in a ribbon area, right click, then click on customize quick access toolbar. So you will see the again same window will appear. Right side you can see quick access toolbar, and on the left side you can see a choose command from and popular command. Okay, let's suppose I want to add one command, information. Then first I will choose that command, and then again I will click on add button to add this command in quick access toolbar. Now I'm going to click on OK button to save the changes. Now you can see over there information command has been added in quick access toolbar. So third way, click on file, then click on options, then click on quick access toolbar. You can see the same window appeared now, and you can see customize quick access toolbar right side. On the left side you can read choose command from. And now let's suppose first of all I want to remove these two commands which I have added before. First I will choose that command, then I will click on remove. Again the second copy I want to remove. Okay, now look, let's suppose I want to add this one, font color. First I will choose that command, then I will click on add button. So now I will click on OK to save the changes. So you can see over there a command font color. So like this we can add and remove the commands from quick access toolbar. I hope you understand this session very well. If you enjoying the training, please leave us a thumbs up and some comments. See you in next video.